Ceado ES700 commercial juicer. Here you see the main parts of the Ceado ES700, the basket and grading disc, the bowl, and the pulp ring. They're connected to the base of the juicer by the magnetic hub. The ES700 is an easy juicer to clean. Make sure you remove the pulp ring for a thorough cleaning of the juice bowl. When reassembling the juicer, press down on the pulp ring to make sure it is firmly seated in the bowl. If you have trouble removing the pulp ring, take the bowl off the hub for a better angle to assist you. The magnetic bond is strong between the basket and hub. You might have difficulty trying to remove the basket with just your fingers. You can remove the bowl and basket by placing your hands on either side of the bowl, but do not lift the bowl by just the juice spout.